Hi and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to post a photo in Parler. So let's go and turn on Parler application. Now, as you can see, there's this red button in the bottom right corner of the application. Let's click on it, and now we can just simply type whatever you want. For example, a nice, oh, I can't type apparently, a nice photo. And to add a photo to our post, we have to click on this little image icon in the bottom left corner. There are many options. We are going to choose photo from our gallery, and I will, for example, add this mountains image. Now click on the export icon. It's in the bottom right corner. Wait for a short while, and you can't see it exactly, but we have added a photo to our post, and oh, it's right there. And now all you have to do is just to click on submit. So let's do exactly that and refresh the application, and as you can see, we have added a photo to Parler. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment on this video. Goodbye.